What's up guys? Welcome back to the tenorshare channel. When you try to take a shot of something interesting with your iPhone camera, it struggles to focus or fluctuates constantly. It could get so blurry that you can barely focus on anything at all. It also happens on the front camera while you are using third-party apps like Snapchat or scanning barcodes with Amazon. No worries, in this video, I'll help you fix it. Let's dive in. First, try to switch between different camera lenses. Sometimes certain lenses get stuck while the others are just fine. If the issue applies to all the lenses, try force restarting your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Let it go when the Apple logo shows up. This can clear caches of all the third-party apps and let you start your camera from scratch. Next, try to update or reinstall third-party apps that use your camera. A new app version could include fixes for glitches, and a reinstall can refresh the app data. The issue could also have something to do with your camera settings, so reverting all settings to default could be a fix. This won't delete any of your data, so rest assured. Sometimes it relates to bugs of the iOS version, so it'd be a good idea to check for a software update. A new version could bring fixes for the bugs. If the issue persists, try repairing your iPhone with ReiBoot, which is a doctor for iOS. Go on with the standard repair mode by default so it can preserve your data. Download the firmware to any location you prefer. And then, you can start repairing. Your iPhone will be updated to the latest software version in this process. Once done, check if your camera is acting normal again. If you still need help, take your iPhone to the Genius Bar and let them check if there's something wrong with your camera module. If yes, hopefully you are perfectly eligible for a free replacement. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips like this, subscribe to the tenorshare channel or click another video to keep watching now. See you next time.